Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well and having an amazing day. So y'all, I did not get a chance to post a video on this past Sunday. I was working on a project on last week, didn't get a chance to finish it unfortunately because I had a lot of other stuff going on. But anyway, can't wait to share with you guys what I've been up to. Super excited. It's still pretty nice outside. Oh my gosh, the cooler temperatures are coming. Y'all, I get so happy with these cooler temperatures. It just makes me all the more motivated to get outside and do a lot of these projects because I still have quite a bit of landscapes that needs freshening up, and I want to try to get these done before fall, y'all. But anywho, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. All right, so here is the next area I'm going to be working in today. So you might remember this little space here. This is the landscape that is around the fence area in the front yard. And remember I told you guys in my last video that this was just such a large landscape that I was going to break these projects up. So I'm going to be working on this area here. All right, yeah, so a little bit of what I'm going to be doing in this space is, number one, I'm going to be removing some of these rose bushes. They're a little leggy, probably because they're not getting enough sunlight. So I am going to be removing a few of them. The other ones, I'm going to be giving them a really rough chop. I'm going to chop them down really low and just kind of let them start fresh, let them grow thicker, wider, all that good stuff. In addition to that, these green flowers that you see here along the edge, I'm going to be just kind of making those a little bit more nicer, a little bit more even. And then I'm also going to remove the no dig edging and make that a little bit more refined and kind of bring it out just a little bit. So that's what I am planning to do in this space, and just kind of really, you know, just beautify this area, give it a little bit more pop of color, especially until my rose bushes start back blooming. And yeah, just giving it a really nice refresh. So without further ado, let's get started. So before I get started, one thing I almost forgot that I wanted to mention, I'm actually working on something right now to, you know, kind of repair these bare spots. I was going to do grass seeds. I've planted grass seeds in this space before. The grass will start off growing good, and then when they die back, they just never came back. And a lot of that is due to the soil I have. I have soil that's like bedrock. I mean, it's really tough clay soil, but it's like a bunch of really thick rocks in the soil. It's even hard to dig in these areas. But anyway, I'm thinking of something that I want to do in this space, so that will be coming in a later video. All right, y'all, so to start things off, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of clear out this area, and then I'm going to go ahead and get started with digging up these plants. Are y'all excited about fall? Fall is my absolute favorite time of year. This is my favorite season, mainly because, you know, I work all summer outdoors, you know, trying to do all these landscaping projects, and I never really get the chance to actually enjoy the space that much, mainly because of the heat. But y'all, when these cooler temperatures start coming through, the bugs start to go away. You know, you just start to feel really good in your spirit. And guys, I like to come out, enjoy the space, and I even like to host. So I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more hosting at my home during the fall season. So I think that's another reason why I'm a little bit motivated. Just really try to get these landscapes looking beautiful, looking nice, because y'all, I'm excited. I love gathering by the fire pit, just having some, you know, something warm to drink, maybe some cider, some hot chocolate or whatever. Y'all, I can go on and on. What about you guys? What do you like to do in the fall? Do you typically go outside and just really enjoy the space? Maybe have some gatherings, some, you know, cookouts or whatever? Y'all, I am loving it. So I know what you guys are thinking. Why is she cutting those beautiful roses? Well, I do have a little experience in this area. These roses will come back even more fuller, thicker, more beautiful with a lot more blooms. All right, y'all, so I ran out to Home Depot, got a few items. I went ahead and got some brick edging, a couple of plants, and I just kind of want to show you guys the layout that I'm thinking I want to do in this particular space. So let's take a look. All right, so here's a quick look at what everything looks like after I removed the rocks, removed most of the bushes, and I think I might end up removing this rose bush over here as well, because what I'm thinking I want to do, I'm thinking I want to get some brick edgings like around the little other area with the flower pot and everything. I think I want to get those brick edgings and just kind of take it all the way around like a little oval shape right here, and just kind of block off this little corner space, plant a couple of flowers here, and then add my rocks back. So that's what I'm thinking I may want to do in this area. But I feel like, I don't know, I may not need to move that plant. I could probably start the brick edging right on the side of that rose bush and then just carry it around this area. So we'll see. All right, so I am in the process of adding my no-dig edging, and I'm doing this to support my brick edging so they don't topple over or anything. So that's why I'm adding the no-dig edging here. And after this, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of create a design in this little area, because I think that'll look really, really cute and kind of make this area pop a little bit. So all of the items I'm using in today's project, I will be sure to link those items in the description as well. So guys, this is totally off subject, but this is something I just wanted to share with you. Just sort of, what inspires me and motivates me to do, some of these projects. So with it being, fall right around the corner, cooler temperatures are already here. The leaves are starting to change colors. Everything is so beautiful. That's another thing that's been really motivating me to get outside and do some of these projects, is because I am actually considering hosting a small birthday celebration, a little birthday gathering, I guess, at my home in October for my dad. He's going to be turning 71, and I'm just like, okay, you know what? I've only hosted like immediate family, like my siblings and my parents, but I wanted to actually invite some of my, other relatives and things, and I've never done that before, so I am a little excited about that. So that's been one of the things that's been motivating me to really kind of get out here and do a lot of these projects, so that I can get the outside and the inside of my home ready to receive guests. And I'm excited because this is something that I think I might actually share in a video, just kind of showing you guys how I host or what I do to prepare for that occasion. So I am excited, you guys. Let me know in the comments if that's something you guys think you will be interested in seeing in a video. All right, y'all, so it is the next day. So I do want to show you guys what I've done so far. All right, y'all, so I just want to kind of show you where I'm at. So I changed up the design with the no-dig edging in this space. I know it looks a little crazy, but I was not planning to do like a little heart. I feel like this is like a cute little heart right here around the tree. But anyway, I just kind of separated everything. You can kind of see that. And I also ended up using these metal stakes here. And I'll see if I can't post a picture of it, because I ran out of the little plastic stakes, and the plastic stakes, they break off easily whenever you bam them in the ground with a hammer. And then plus, these metal stakes are so much more cheaper. But I'll be sure to link those metal stakes in my storefront. But in the meantime, just wanted to show you guys what this space looks like at the moment. and just kind of tell you a little bit about what I have planned in this area. So I'm about to dig some holes. I'm gonna put one here, and I'm gonna dig one right here because I want to plant some flowers here because I feel like this area needs a pop of color. I mean, there's a lot of greenery, especially until my roses, you know, really start to bloom. I just feel like this area can use a little bit more color. So what I'm in the process of doing right now is just adding my rocks to this space, and I'm adding some brown pea gravel rock to the area around this little tree here. And you guys will notice a little later on in the video that I switched out these plants. Like right now I have these yellow zinnias planted here, and I ended up swapping these flowers out for some beautiful perennials. They're called blanket flowers, and you guys will see that later on in the video. Hey good people, so it is the next day. I just want to go ahead and show you guys what the final area looks like, and then I want to tell you a little bit about what I have coming up in my next video, which I'm super excited about, because the plan is to basically just kind of, you know, not only just refresh the different landscapes in the front yard, but there's some other things that I want to add to the space as well that I think is going to really make the different areas stand out. So let's take a look at the final look. So before the final reveal, let's take a look back and be reminded as to what the space used to look like before we refreshed it, before we added some fresh new flowers and just kind of added a pop of color. And as you guys can see, this space was in desperate need of some TLC. So now let's take a look at the final reveal. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you are new and visiting for the first time, welcome. My name is Carolina, and if this is the type of content you enjoy or find interesting, I would love to have you join my family of subscribers. And as always, to my existing subscribers, guys, you know you are always welcome back. So until then, I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye now.